Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my Ford Transit Connect 2011. This is 2024 and in 13 years it's had a battering. This is original bumper that is on the van and also the original trims that have been refurbishing with a few aerosols very cheaply, just to tidy the van up a little bit, make it a little bit more presentable. Got the bodywork to do, obviously. We're going to be doing stuff with that later on, but I thought we'll make a start with the bumpers. I do have some bits and pieces of chats, like my bib, the bib, not the bib, the chin spoiler bar here, and my little nudge bar here that holds a number plate on. So we're going to be removing this. Not going to remove that because I need to give it another coat of gunmetal. I did give the whole bumper a coat of gunmetal, didn't like it, it looked rubbish, so I decided to take it back to black and leave my inserts here, these bits in gunmetal, and a little bit down there as well, just to give it a bit of effect. So that being said, watch the video, get something out of it if you can, and carry on watching to the end, because it does take a while to mask it up, and we're going to probably time lapse a bit of it as well, to give you an idea of how to do it. Masking is very important because you don't want overspray everywhere, especially dealing with black spray, it will go everywhere. So there you go. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Carry on watching it to the end. Don't forget to like and follow the channel. Thanks for watching. So we're going to mask off the headlights and the grills and everything on the front of the bumper, and it's quite easy to do. You just need to be very patient with it and make sure you get your lines right with the masking tape and everything. What we are going to be masking up is the number plate and that small nudge bar at the front, and we'll be removing the grill from the lower grill from the bumper and just masking up the chin nudge bar underneath, because they don't really need to be removed. Could remove them if I wanted to, but obviously I want to get the van back on the road as soon as possible, so I don't want things to be hanging off and drying and that. This bumper spray paint does dry pretty quick. 20 minutes it's done. You give it as many coats as you want until it evens up on your bumper, and it does a fantastic job, I have to say. Bought it off eBay, a couple of cans, 14-15 pounds, so they're quite large cans as well, so there's enough to do the bumper and the trims, the wheel arch trims. With regard the wheel arch trims, I decided to leave them on rather than remove them. You can remove them if you want. The screws that are holding them in were very rusty, and I figured that they would break and snap the the clips that hold the screws in, and you'd end up replacing quite a lot of things, and you know, end of the day it is what it is. So I decided to mask up around the areas just to be certain that the trims would go back on. You can't really drive your van around without the trims on. They are designed for keeping any debris and everything flying up from the wheels, so you are required to have the trims on, and you don't want to get pulled over by police if you are intending to do stuff with your van, and removing trims and bumpers isn't a good idea if you don't intend to keep it off the road for a few days. That being said, the overall result after that done was quite good, so it came up quite well, and I'm quite happy with the results I got. I did decide afterwards to cover in the grey bits below the headlights because I just didn't like the look. It just didn't match the van. It's all black now. The whole bumper's all black now, so it's all even and the same now. So there you go. Don't forget that I'll be doing some more videos on my van diaries and things and bits and pieces that I might bolt to it. I'll obviously do some repairs on it as well, so check out some more of the videos. Probably put some in the top, in a headline at the top of some of the other videos that I've been doing. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like the video as well. And I'll catch you in another video soon. Continue to watch this bit to the end, and I'll see you in another video soon.